video. Today I have got an exciting video that's all about fantastic short haircuts. Get ready to be amazed by these sexy haircuts that are sure to win your heart. So ladies and women, let's dive into a world of stunning short hairstyles. Are you ready for some more inspiration? This year you are showcasing the hottest trends in short haircuts just for you. These styles are carefully designed to leave a lasting impression, making you feel confident and absolutely fabulous. Get ready for a hair transformation like no other. I'm sorry if you hear any background noise. Please bear with me, and I promise it will not take away from your enjoyment of this video. Ladies, get ready to witness the beauty and elegance of these short haircuts. Each style is a work of art, meant to make you fall in love. From sleek and sophisticated to bold and daring, this collection has something for everyone. Just picture the shine, sophistication, and sheer elegance of these hairstyles. They are designed to make you feel like a fashion icon. These ideas will take your style to new heights, giving you confidence and grace. Embrace some of the most stunning short haircuts you have ever seen. Whether it's grayish, brownish, blackish or whitish colors, these are just a few of the magnificent colors that can enhance these hairstyles. The right hair color has the power to transform your look by adding depth and dimension to your haircut. These carefully chosen shades are meant to complement your unique features. Prepare to be amazed by the transformation. These short haircuts can take years of your appearance, giving you a fresh and youthful look. Watch the magic as your hair goes from ordinary to extraordinary. You will be astonished by the impact these hairstyles can create. We want to apologize for any background noise and the occasional language barrier. Our main goal is to provide you with an entertaining and visually appealing fashion videos. Your support and feedback means a lot to me. Please share in a fashionista with these stylish whether you are into a thick and sophisticated bob or a trendy pixie cut. This video offers endless inspiration. These hairstyles are all about making a statement and showcasing your unique sense of style. If you enjoyed this video and want for more fantastic haircut ideas, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. fabulous ladies and women. By subscribing, you will get notifications whenever I release new content, ensuring you stay up to date with the latest trends and hairstyles. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and become a part of our community of fabulous ladies and women.